Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to turn Safe Search off on X. So I will use my browser for this. I opened official website of X, signed into my account, and now I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of my screen, and then tap Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy and Safety, and then go to Content You See section. So in order to turn off Safe Search on X, you want to make sure that you have your tick put in this checkbox next to line that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So in this way you can see sensitive content in your X feed. And additionally, if you want to see sensitive content in search results when you search for something on X, then you want to go to search settings section and make sure that you do not have a tick put in this checkbox next to hide sensitive content line. Yes, and after completing these steps, you should see sensitive content on X, but if you still do not see it, then install VPN to your device and connect to United States of America, or you can connect to Western European countries, because those are two regions that usually do not block sensitive content on X. And after this, I'm sure that it will work for you and you will see your sensitive content. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.